Hello, everyone, and welcome to the vlog. It's me, Jennifer, and I'm outside our house right now. And as you can see, the snow is coming down. We are off to the Kensington Metro Park at the nature trail to go for a nice hike. I suggested that trail because that's where you can find the birds, the blue jays, the woodpecker, the chickadee that would come to you, and you can feed them. And also the albino deer and a lot of deers all over the place because I believe there's no hunting there. So it's like a sanctuary for them. But anyways, my intention for today is to document this hike and provide you more knowledge about the park itself and the maps, how to feed the birds, and so on and so forth. And so I'll talk to you later. So what's in my bag? Well, some water, a bag of bird feeds, and different kinds of snacks. And we are now approaching the park entrance via Kent Lake Road. It is a massive park and there are several different entrances. A Metro Park vehicle pass gives you access to all 13 Huron Clinton Metro parks, and you can purchase them at the toll booths, park offices, and online. It costs $10 per vehicle for daily entrance and $40 for an annual pass. And here the guy is giving us just a simple wave. Normally they have a scanner that would scan your annual pass sticker, but a wave will do for today. And here's a little throwback by Nelly. Kensington's 4,481 acres of wooded hilly terrain surrounds the beautiful Kent Lake and is home to an abundance of wildlife and waterfowl. The park offers a multitude of recreational activities throughout the year, from biking and boating to cross-country skiing and tobogganing. And here's a beautiful view for you to enjoy. And we have finally arrived at the Nature Center parking lot. I am very excited. Look at that. Snow coming down, snow-covered trees. I love this trail. It is a beautiful trail, very well maintained, but I love the wildlife. The deers, the squirrels, the raccoons, and the cute little small songbirds like chickadees, blue jays, titmice, woodpeckers that you could hand feed. And yes, they land on your hand, and I'm very excited for that. And here are some of my friends. They used to actually intimidate me, but later on I have observed that they are actually quite harmless and that they can be a bit skittish, and if anything, they usually are the ones who would rather walk away or run away from you. And we're now walking to the main entrance. being greeted by another big buddy bird here. Hello. Hi. You think I got food for you? And here is the map to give you guys an idea. We've pretty much done all trails here. Not all at the same time, but one of my favorite is the purple one right there. We haven't decided yet which trail we're going to be taking today, but you will find out later. Decided to do part of the green trail, and we'll take it from there. Here we go. Look how magnificent is that. Wow, that's just beautiful. Winter and spring, and that is beautiful. Enjoy this little clip and the sound of the water. Very peaceful and serene indeed. A few people have reached out to me asking if we are already going crazy and bored with this whole lockdown, and here's my answer: not at all. We have been enjoying going to the park and exploring different park trails. And more signs of springtime. And here's another idea for creative photographers and videographers out there. Come out here and you have the whole space for you to use as a just beautiful backdrop for all your photography work. And here's a few more magical montage for you to enjoy. And it's time to show you guys how to feed them cute little songbirds. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. You just reach out your hand and they come to you. And a little tip is that these birds seem to favor the black sunflower seeds. They are pretty much all over the nature park trail, and they are very comfortable with us humans. So you will find them easily.
Trail this way, because I'm pretty sure we've walked it down this way a couple times.
Which one?
This trail, the middle trail.
The 13th. Okay, sweet. I follow you. All right, so we now transitioned from the green trail to the purple trail, and we're just gonna keep walking. Here's a beautiful shot of the gorgeous red cardinal bird. He really stands out there, doesn't he? Birds would like feeding. And this is the end of the tour of our winter hike at the Nature Park Trail. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you can also come out here and experience the beauty and the peacefulness of the park.